Vikramaditya, a king of Ujjain, started the Vikrama Samvat in 58 BC in commemoration of his victory over Sakas. Two of the great Mughals wrote their own memories. They were Babur and Jahangir. To which king belongs the lion capital at Sarnath? Ashoka. The use of spinning wheel became common during the 14th century AD. The language of discourses of Gautama Buddha was Pali. There were widespread risings against the British in 1820s. Which one of the following did not revolt in the 1820s? Santhals. Veluthampi led a revolt against the British in the state of Travancore. Three major powers emerged in southern India in the 7th century AD were one, two, five. The term Yavanapriya mentioned in ancient Sanskrit text denoted pepper. The ultimate ownership of land during the post-Gupta period lay with the king. To which of the Republic of Buddha belong? Sakyas. There were a sharp class division at Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. This is clear from the different types of dwelling excavated. Tipu Sultan was the ruler of Mysore. The term Yavanika meant curtain. The term Khalisa in Mughal administration signified the land owned by the emperor himself.